Guys, it's one with the cat, and today we're going to be playing Warror Cats. Let's play and make our character. I've actually played this game before to do the edit, and this is my cat from the before. Okay, let's go. Okay, enter game. Okay. Okay, so where did the cat left? Okay, I guess I'm lonely. Let's collect these things. Okay, cat mint. Okay, just pick up some cat mint, because it may help me. But this boy is jealous. Oh. Okay, I just really want to get out the cat mint. How much cat mint? Okay, how much cat mint? Okay. Okay, I don't need. Why are these people doing this? Okay, now, no matter, let's just go explore more. Why am I always stuck in the gate? Like, nowhere. Okay, let's explore around here, because there's probably more. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Name, okay. Brooklyn. Brooklyn, yeah, Brooklyn. Oh. I wanted to name myself Brooklyn. Hi. Oh, I just say hi. Because face down. Oh man, sorry. I just had to go back to this thing. Oh my god. Sorry, but I accidentally left the game. How much messages do you have to leave me? Okay. Well, let's just go to the cat's house now, because we haven't explored all the worlds. What? Okay, yeah. Oh, hey, there's a lot of cats over here, and I love it. Oh yeah, she's going to go. Let's go eat her. What happened? Let's go see. Let's ask them what happened. Okay, what happened? Okay, just in case they respond to my what happened. His name is Kitty Killer. Are you kidding me right now? Okay, nice cat. What is killing? Okay, just pick up the leaf. Give me my little leaf. Okay, I don't know this game, so it might be new to me because. Oh, look. Okay, just sit, rest. I'll just select this and back leg. Okay, side sleep. Ah, yeah, she's sitting in side sleep. Crouch now. But he might not kill the cat. Feed her, and then just, kill her. Oh no, she's feeding her. She is feeding her. She's literally feeding her. No worry, Mama is gonna get you here. Why did she left? Okay, she's just a weird person, okay? Bro, what's happening here with all these babies? All the servers are weird. Like, just wanna go be a wild cat. I wanna sprint over the gate. Meow. Enough. I've had enough of this. So you can see. Why have I reached the word board? Okay. No. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's just trade. Send a request. And what can I trade? Oh, he can friend request. Okay, so I have cat mint. Oh my. This must be real. Because the game is not like, okay, let me take a picture of this. He's teaching them how to do stuff. Are you kidding me? This is the cutest thing I've ever been done and seen. Okay, just... Why did you take him in the mouth? No, baby, don't run away. I'm your new mother. I am your new mother. Oh, they're family. What are you doing here? Meow. I bitten you. Bye, stupid ugly, you fat rat. Bye, fat rat. Now we just don't have to. And this need just murmuring. No, I got stuck in. Oh yeah, the box. The boxes. I want a box. Where can I hide in a box? Open the box. Open the box. Open. Oh, can I see what's inside the box? Yep. That's a weird glitch, but okay. Okay, what is happening here? I just sit like cats do the. Just sit here. But I don't know what is happening. I don't know what's happening. Like literally, I don't know what's happening. Is she? Okay, I don't care. Sorry. I just... Yo, baby. Little baby. Little baby. Sorry of me being AFK, but right now. there's my kitten. Okay, sorry me taking pictures continually, but I want pictures. Like, I want pictures of the baby. So yeah, don't you think we take too much? Yeah, we take too much photos. Leave in the comments if you think we spend too much photos. Okay. Let me make that face too, because I love that face. Okay, just do this. And the rope. Oh. No, was a eyeball. Me just saying. Wait, how did she squish? Wanna fight? Wanna fight? Wanna fight? Okay, we're gonna do one more thing. Let's do more glitches. See if they work. Okay, see inside the box works, but not really now. Yes. Now they're all gonna. Okay, let's just turn on the light. Okay, let me take a picture of them because they're really cute and I don't want to miss anything. So yeah, I don't want to miss anything. Why do you keep closing the light? Turn on the light. Wait. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, you little Dumby. She's lagging. Okay, so anyways guys, if you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe. Turn the bell for a notification. Bye.